Gusii.
Wairire biya umwancho muri weta sene kyan Ndizi TV ninde no kwegena mbiyogendete ando siaso tengerete kuru nigo cyaragire Chinsa Ikomi cyabona margoba nani kongo kwariganya twimanya mangana magia asenchera yobwenge ereterane Dorcas Kemuma nigo tokubatira nere Lydia Mose uyo komanya asenchera yemanyerio nere Sara Momanyi kwene kingamari gene chibicha agwikire asenchera yobwikirano. Omoteneri w'abanyanyimbo imeye county ya Kisii Charles Kasesi nigori tukori arero bachaka obunyabi obokorya amarwa ari atanchiri naboigo ebinyugwa biri bitanchiri gusamaryogo ari yogotindia ase bagenda goika ase chinsemo cha mukutano ejigotoka ase omochi obosongo ase babeka byara abakerwa batano na batatu abo babanyora gose babasangia nemesogoto ya enyasore naboigo ase abantu bande banyorwa babwate amaryogo atanchiri naboigo amaru ayo ose ebinyugwa bigotindia amo namaru kurengana no mu county commander Kasesi nigo arire irabuna nigo barachiko gendera gukora obunyabiyobo ase chinsemo chonsi imeye county ya Kisii ase bono aborire abamenyi be county yo ya Kisii kwene kinga nkubwatira nabare eryo kwene kinga bakorire amarwa atanchiri amo namaryogo yogotindia
na hii mambo ya pombe haramu na dawa hii miadarati kwa katika kaunti zote nchini. Na sasa hapa kaunti ya Kisii sisi pia tumeendelea kabisa tangu hiyo siku ya tarehe 6 mwezi huu. Tumeanza kupigana na hizo pombe haramu, chang'aa, kangara zote tumeweza kufanya operesheni kwa kila sub county zote 11 hapa Kisii. Na tunapoendelea kwamba kwa sasa tumeweza kufunga bus. We have managed to close about 92 bus which were operating illegally. We have also managed to destroy about 32,950 liters of kangara, and also we have managed to destroy about 1,370 liters of chang'aa. Again, we have also managed to arrest about 49 persons in connection with these offenses. Again, we have managed to get to nab about 46 rolls of cannabis sativa, and this operation will continue. As far as these substances are being traded within our locality. Today, we managed to procure about two sniffer dogs, and in the process of our operation we arrested 8 people within this Makutano area, and 8 people who are preparing rolling those sticks of cannabis sativa. I believe they were prepared to take them somewhere to sell to our people. So let me assure to the members of public that this operation will continue. We need your support, and it will not relent, will not get tired of this operation. We shall continue as long.
Togos kamote mwancho morigeria imeye county Nyamira nigo ekenyoro ekemokya amagwero imeye wodi yerigoma county yo Nyamira oboturukanu obwenekiwa emambi ya rero ase amatanga ayamo ase embera ya nyagosira yabake gotubwa korengana na kirori nigo batebamuna nigo embere yo yabetege kore mwano mugakoye erebweka ase abanyakenyoro batabwateranire nabo igo nigo babwate emero birio yo komorenta na komoenia kigima nyagosira ase bono bono abanyakinyoro boimukirira igoro na korenta riroroche ase enkeyo egento keirera abagambi amo n'abanyanyembo goikirana ase ekinyorekyo na kwene kinga ngoto gose ngo nkwene kibarenga ribererio ryo barikanyire ase bono bakora chinkwana amo n'abanyakinyoro na kwene kinga ababeire bakuigwana ase bono bachika abuna nyagosira abega kwenigwa ase amasikani kolengana no mugakoye nigo batabuna nigo ere agaganiti goikirania eira ya nyagosira
Ubwata abantu ubwata no mugakoye ne family sasa totegererane lakini ntagete toigwana na inu mupangiri okyo bwatiwo okoye ni gukuayo onye mogoteba nga ngetima itingare kore tunakogande nguru onye kere nga kore tunakogande nguru na inu mototagiti abwe tokoigwana tokoigwana na inu
echure bazanjo chaki no musani to kabisa chaki otoga nilibuja chaki no mwana biashara orogo korote orogo turagiri butukuno mugasu otwagani chigo twanjere amatanga chaki agendere buja nanda ko rubuya arigani gubuno monto monene echagiro mujego no rubo moiso chaki tariko to demand kintu kende nande chaki aturumbuki kubuya na intu tomo sudiere una chaki akogana nari kubasa abantu bamagwero tubwaterane twensi tolere chaki una atakire kore buya mono
Aji konyara na bamena ki omuntu manene agutugutu bagutugutu tati agutugutu na yani bunu muntu tabwati bantu no atwara abantu no alko batabwati bantu asi mara kututu nyi je aka waita bunu muntu manene agutugutu chaki tadi omwana ole chaki no muntu mayeka ntange ngusiyengi oya banda beji bigi bigi bamati chaki mono ko bantu na gyoje na banu mara bakolera tali osina to bakani chaki mba mwanjete lakini ntuwe nyasaka mwanja mono ko magambi tutabona usifekito ya na kitoro ndo tekuru jaki akakweta bakasai
Malitanga Elizabeth Ikomi ngento kigia chaki ndanya koroka kana Gusii musubati oibolta abane kinyoro otinde kumno mwane kumara abangira lekimo teba atinde kusai atinde kumambia be kumwayara ale atinde kumambia
Togosika matio mwanju muriga yatokira na ase county ya Kisii nigo omukonyi bw'omugavana we county ya Kisii Dr. Robert Monda nigo litukole rero aikira na obosio bw'ebunge ye Senate asomocho Nairobi ase abaka gosomerwa amamochaye chingaki ebunge yo ye Senate ye areganete eriko chaka gotegerera omowa kwa isiko kwa Monda omwanju muriga inyore na nigo abMCA be county ya Kisii babete bakumwaka isiko Dr. Robert Monda ase okupatranwa na mamacho ayo abete gakomonyora ase asomerwa amamocho ane rituko riarero eyo moyabo obotumekyo oboyobisi ase Monda akana amamocho ayo nigo Senate gosebunge ye Senate egendrete gotegerera ngana eyo yokumwaka isiko Monda.
Honorable Speaker, the letter does not form part of the proceedings. It's
okay,
the letter that you referred to.
The clerk just informed me exactly that, and it's being made available to honourable senators. May the copies be circulated to the honourable senators.
I am most obliged, Mr. Speaker, sir. And as such, Mr. Speaker, sir, permit me to make an application pursuant to Rule 10 of these House proceedings, equally assisted by Article 50 of the Constitution, that this Honorable Court be pleased to issue summons to one Mr. David Hagai Oyagi. Mr. David Hagai Oyagi works with the Kisii County government as a Director of Enforcement and Compliance. The basis of our application, Mr. Speaker, sir, is that while the charges were being read out to His Excellency, the Deputy Governor, there was a charge that involved the misuse of the county resources, to wit, 20 enforcement officers were unlawfully deployed to arrest and harass one Mr. Ruben Onari Monda, and subsequently the charges have also indicated that at least 4 county enforcement officers are deployed by the Deputy Governor of Kisii County to conduct and execute odd jobs such as milking cows, cooking for dogs at the residence of the
na sense moye kigambire kene ime yomoche o Nairobi ni gori tukorero umonachi ebi na Grace Nzioka abuye kigambire kene mirimane akumera Joseph Irungo ojuboigo omanyikaine buna jowe egesibo kyogokwa aya korekana ase kigambire kene kya mirimane ekyo kyogotoka ase mocho Nairobi omubaso orero aya maiga ya Joseph Irungo konyorekana na mamocho yokumoita omosubati Monica Kimani oyo abete gawikirania ogukwa kwaye ase enkaya yayo gukomboya imeyomochi o Nairobi ase chinsemo cha Kilimani omwaka w'ekiribibire na Ikomi ensano isato.
I have ordered that the first accused person before this court being Joseph Kuria Irungu alias Joey shall suffer death as provided for the offense of murder under section 204 of the Penal Code of Kenya. Unless that sentence is lawfully set aside by a court of competent jurisdiction. That is the order of the court. Thank you. Yes, Counsel.
Yes, for purposes of appeal, the praise we provided copies of the judgments and sentencing decision and
Chinga kicho chokuna cha ekinekyo nigo munachi ebina Grace Nzioka atebamuna nigo ogoitwa kumusubati Monica Kimani oyo boigoringo munya biashara nigo abete kagukwa amakwiri ari abete egakubangwa na boigo asate babuna omukagirwa abete egakubanga ase egeka egetambe na boigo kwenekinga obekire emirobiri oyo goikiranie ogokwa kwaye ase igo atebamuna nigo ogokwa kwaye Monica Kimani abete kagwitwa ase ogwancha gose oyo abete gakumoita niga abete gakumoita ase ogwancha natari mubasokano buna ase korengana nirichiko atebuna ase ekinekyo nigo banyorete gose korengana nobotuki nigo banyorete buna nigo ogokwa kwaye Monica kwabete gokubangwa na goikiranirwa.
It is the evidence of the brother of the deceased that even during the hearing of this case, at one time, he blocked his car when the case was going on. And of course, you have heard from there, even when he was out on board, he was still involved. I'm not condemning him because there's no charge before me. But the court cannot avoid looking at this. Because at the end of the day, the question is this. Is this a person you want to release back to the society? And these issues become extremely critical for consideration. Finally, this matter and the evidence adduced does not lead to a conclusion that this murder was accidental. That the perpetrator did not have an opportunity to think about the consequences of his action. It was intentional. It was not a defensive act. It was not out of provocation. It was planned. It was intended, and it was executed.
Baraza ya bagavana nigo ya mochiria serikali nene aso konyoria chibesa goche ase chi county kolengana na barabo nigo baganitie serikali gwetera wizara y'oburemi kobwatoka chibesa erio bagichi kwene kinganko gorabare amoyo ayo agochigo konya abaremi ase chi county okwana chingaki barenga segikalo asensemo yechinsemo cha coast nigo bagavana batebamna obakora osebakora no mugavana Kenny Lusaka nigo boigo batebiremna nerebuya serikali kubwatoka chibesa genkyo ejo echichiko bakonya asanene asensemo yoboremi asikiri batena nigo baganetie kugura amoyo genkyo eri bakonye abaremi nabarabo erinde bachikwegenderia asensemo yoboremi bwabo.
But currently we have learned of late that I think the PS Agriculture has decided that he wants to withhold some money within the Agriculture Ministry and is attempting, I use the word attempting, to usurp powers of the county and to do roles that lie squarely in our docket. We have heard that he wants to retain, I think, 50 million per county for water plants.
And now the formula, 1 vote, 1 shilling. We are among the 6 counties, we are getting the least amount of money. In fact, interestingly, transition report says we should have 4,200 workers. But right now, we have 3,100, and after payment, we have absolutely nothing. We are depending on partners.
Grant allocations that the president ascended to. We have funds that are supposed to go to the counties. The funds are still being held by the treasury. We are asking or demanding that the funds be released to the counties so that again we are able to purchase fertilizers in a timely manner to be able to realize.
Umwanju muriria yo na senchera yo wenge kurenda yo amona yanda mange to yende tewoko arigania no chukonya nyora ekero chirara gense ya moya bono maragoba amone Chinsa isato twara oburigireri obuyime ya Ndizi TV na bubanso bumogusi eretariane Dorcas Kemuma na nigo tubatanere Lydia Mose uyo konyamanya asenchera yo manyerio nere Sara Momanyi onekinga mario gine chibicha agwikere asenchera yo wekirano.